Good morning all of you. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study chapter number 1 and our chapter name is crop production and management. Let me explain you bit about your chapter name. That is crop production and management. Crop production increase risk of diseases, insect and weed make it necessary to manage the crop. Where is crop management? The group of agriculture practice used to improve the growth, development and yield of agriculture crop. So without wasting any time, we will going to start your chapter. Food for survival. All living beings need food to stay alive. We need food because it provides energy to perform various activities and substance needed for the growth and maintenance of our body. As we all know, food is an important part of our life to stay alive. Food gives us energy, and if we are not having proper energy, so how can we survive in this world? We have to do lots of things, so maintenance of our body is very important thing. The energy obtained from food is utilized by living beings to carry out their various body function. The world is full of different type of living beings, and thus there is a vast need of food for all. Yeah, that's true that world is full of different type of living beings. हमारे यहाँ हमारे साथ काफ़ी अलग अलग तरह के पीपल्स रहते हैं, like some are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarians, and everyone having their own need of food. Not everyone eat egg and not everyone eats vegetable, so they both all are there having their own needs. We human beings can produce food on a large scale and distribute it well so that we can meet the requirement of a large human population all over the world. We get our food from plant as well as animal. So we get तो हमको हमारा food मिलता है most of the time plants या फिर animal से. Food from plants. Now we will talk about food from plants. Farmer grow and cultivate a wide variety of plant for food. Mark the definition here. Line second. Plants grow on a large scale for food, clothing, etc. are called crops. What called crops? Students, प्लांट ग्रो ऑन अ लार्ज स्केल. जो प्लांट्स ग्रो होते हैं एक लार्ज स्केल पे, किस लिए? खाने के लिए, कपड़ों के लिए. इसको क्या बोला जाता है? क्रॉप. देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप, खारिफ क्रॉप्स एंड रबी क्रॉप्स. खारिफ क्रॉप आर क्रॉप which grow in the summer season. They are usually planted in June and ripened in October. Rice, maize, cotton and groundnut are common kharif crop. खारिफ क्रॉप हमारे सीजनल क्रॉप है जो कि समर में हमें मिलते हैं. एज वी ऑल नो हमारे जो क्रॉप्स वगैरह हैं वो सीजनल्स होते हैं, जो खारिफ क्रॉप है वो सिर्फ हमें समर सीजन में मिलेगा. लाइक जून एंड अक्टूबर ही हमें प्रोवाइड करते हैं राइस, मेज, कॉटन, ग्राउंडनट एंड आर कॉमन खारिफ क्रॉप्स. ये तो कॉमन खारिफ क्रॉप है जो हमें यूजुअली मिल ही जाते हैं, लेकिन देयर आर सम अदर खारिफ क्रॉप ऑल्सो जो हमें सिर्फ समर सीजन में मिलते हैं. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट रबी क्रॉप्स. आर दोज क्रॉप दैट आर ग्रो इन विंटर सीजन. ये हमें विंटर सीजन में मिलते हैं. दे आर यूजुअली प्लांटेड इन नवंबर एंड रिपेन इन अप्रैल. वीट, barley, pea and gram are common rubbies. You can see the both in figure number 1.1 kharif crop and figure number 1.2 rabi crop. Here is it: rice, cotton, groundnut, maize, and here is it figure 1.2 rabi crop, pea, wheat, barley, gram. Now turn your page number 14. Skip the activity. Come on the paragraph watering of crop and irrigation. Water is needed by seed as well as plant to grow. They get water from the soil. Different crop need different amount of water to grow, as you all know. And here we are going to read the definition of irrigation. Irrigation refers to the practice of artificially adding water to the soil for growing crop. इरिगेशन एक प्रैक्टिस होती है आर्टिफिशियली जिसमें हम वाटर ऐड करते हैं सॉइल में अपने क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने के लिए. Here we are going to know about some methods. First method is traditional method. Traditional method of irrigation of agricultural land through canals, furrows, chain pump, mode, pulley system, Dekli and Rahat water wheel. are cheaper but often lead to wastage of water. You can see both of them in the figure 1.9 and 1.10. Now come on page number 15. Modern method. There are two. Second point is modern method, and they are modern method of irrigation have been designed so that less water is wasted. Sprinkle irrigation and drip irrigation are the category in modern method. Sprinkle Sprinkle irrigation is a method in which water under pressure is sprayed over soil like artificial rain. You can see in figure number 1.11. And drip irrigation is a method in which pipes or tubes with very small hole are used to deliver water drop by drop directly at the basis of each plant. This method is very useful in areas having a shortage of water. Those areas who are having shortage of water, they can take advantage of drip irrigation. Figure 1.12, you can see here drip irrigation. Turn the page number 16, weeding and crop protection. Sometime undesirable plant called weed grow along with the crop. It is important to remove this weed, otherwise they can harm the main crops. जो अनडिज़ायरेबल प्लांट्स होते हैं उसको वीड्स बोला जाता है. कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमारे क्रॉप्स के साथ वीड्स भी होते हैं, तो उसको रिमूव करना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. अदरवाइज़ वो जो हमारी क्रॉप्स है उसको हार्म पहुंचा सकते हैं, उसे नुकसान पहुंचा सकते हैं. यू कैन सी फिगर नंबर 1.14 मैनुअल वीडिंग. ये लोग मैनुअली इसको वीड कर रहे हैं. Now paragraph number 2, third line, the process by which we remove weed is called weeding. ऊपर आपने फिगर में देखा मैनुअल वीडिंग, लेकिन वीडिंग किसे बोलते हैं? जब वीड को रिमूव किया जाता है क्रॉप पे से, उसको वीडिंग बोला जाता है. इट्स कॉल्ड वीडिंग. Now we will discuss about harvesting. Once a crop ripen, it needs to be gathered and stored. The process of cutting and gathering of crops is called harvesting. जब हम क्रॉप में से वीड निकाल देते हैं, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू हार्वेस्ट. द प्रोसेस ऑफ कटिंग एंड गैदरिंग. जब हम लोग वीड हटा देंगे, हमने ऊपर मैनुअल वीडिंग देखी, उसके बाद हम इसकी कटिंग करेंगे अपनी क्रॉप की, उसको गैदरिंग करेंगे, उसे एक साथ सबको रखेंगे. उस प्रोसेस को हार्वेस्टिंग बोला जाता है. You can see the some example of harvesting in figure number 1.16 and as well as figure number 1.172. Now here we discussed about storage of harvested crop. After winnowing, the grain gets separated and need to be stored till they are sent to the mandis. Big mandis बोला जाता है हमारा big market places. तो जब हमारे सारे प्रोसेसेस हो जाते हैं, जब तक मंडी नहीं चले जाए हमारे क्रॉप्स, हमारे ग्रेन्स, तब तक हमें उन्हें सिक्योर करके रखना पड़ता है. हमें उन्हें स्टोर करना पड़ता है एक प्रॉपर हाइजीनिक प्लेस पर. The grain should be stored in clean and dry place to avoid spoilage. And yeah, we have to take care about the cleanliness of the place also, because just to avoid spoilage. वरना हमारी जितनी भी हार्वेस्टिंग है, हमने जितने भी क्रॉप ग्रेन कलेक्ट किए हैं, गैदर किए हैं एक साथ, वो ख़राब होने के उनके चांसेस को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए. Here you can see the examples. In figure number 1.8, grain is stored in gunny bags in grannies, and 1.19, grain are stored in silos. Now we will talk about practices for increasing crop yield. How to increase our crop yield? The yield of crop can be increased if we carry out the agriculture process in a stepwise manner. हम increase कर सकते हैं अपनी crop yield को, but अगर हम एग्रीकल्चर प्रोसेस को स्टेप वाइज फॉलो करते हैं तब. देयर आर टेक्निक्स ऑफ मिक्स्ड कल्टीवेशन एंड क्रॉप रोटेशन दैट हेल्प टू इंक्रीज दैट यील्ड फर्दर. समटाइम द फार्मर ग्रोज 2 or more different kind of crops at the same time in his field. So if we follow the step wisely, mannerly, so we can increase our crop yield definitely. These crops are chosen keeping in mind the nutrient need, so that the need of one particular type of crop get fulfilled by the need of the other type of crop sum together. Like we have to keep in mind that what we have to what we have to grow at the same time, because we have to think about our land, our healing system, our harvesting system, waiting system, because they are mentioning step wise manner. If we didn't do the work in step wise, so can we can mess with everything. So we have to take care each and everything, we have to keep in mind everything, we have to keep everything in mind regarding to our consumers, our retailers, then we get a perfect crop yielding. So class, I hope you all understand the chapter. If you are having any kind of issue, you can ask about it, and surely I will catch you in the next video. Thank you.